Ever feel like your legs turn to lead halfway through the workday? Imagine gliding into pure relaxation with every foot placement. No more aches, no more numbness. Today, we're unveiling the top 5 underdesk footrests that will revolutionize your posture, circulation, and all-around comfort. Stick around to find the perfect footrest to up your desk game. Check the product links in description. Number 1. Picture sinking your feet into a plush cloud that conforms to every curve. Meet the Everlasting Comfort Footrest. Crafted from premium memory foam, it adapts to your arches, delivering sumptuous support that's soft yet resilient. Its standard-size stool fits neatly under any desk or gaming table, providing just the right lift for proper spinal alignment. The ergonomic teardrop shape elevates your feet, encouraging healthy posture and easing lumbar pressure. Flip it over, and the gentle rocking motion massages your soles, preventing stiffness after hours of sitting. That dual-function design makes it perfect for office workers seeking relief during back-to-back Zoom calls or gamers chasing marathon victories. Maintaining freshness is effortless. The removable machine-washable cover pulls off in seconds, so sweat and dust don't stand a chance. And with its sleek black finish and subtle tapering, it blends seamlessly into any workspace decor. Whether you're typing reports or strategizing in an MMORPG, the Everlasting Comfort Footrest turns foot fatigue into foot bliss. One ergonomic elevation at a time. Check the description to learn more. Number 2. If versatility and durability top your wish list, the HUANUO adjustable footrest delivers on every front. Built from sturdy ABS plastic, this footstool adjusts to 3 heights, with a simple snap-in design letting you dial in your ideal elevation in seconds. Whether you're in high-gear office mode or lounging after work, finding the perfect angle has never been easier. The generously sized 18 by 13 inches platform boasts a textured, massage-style surface covered in geometric bumps. Each twitch of your toes stimulates blood flow, melting away tension and keeping your legs alert. Need extra movement? Tilt the platform between -30 degrees and +30 degrees. The free rocking design encourages micro shifts that combat stiffness and boost circulation. Out of the box, it's ready to go. No assembly required. Rubberized feet lock the footrest in place, so it won't wander when you stretch or shift. Its sleek black profile blends into any modern home office or gaming setup. For those craving a dynamic underdesk experience, complete with height customization and in-seat reflexology, the HUANUO footrest is a game-changer. Number 3. When pain relief is the priority, the ComfiLife underdesk footrest steps up with plush memory foam and customizable height. This large cushion supports your feet, knees, and hips, easing pressure on your lower back and sciatica by promoting proper foot placement and alignment. Gone are the days of wedging random books under your desk. ComfiLife offers a versatile one-size-fits-all solution. Its high-density memory foam core contours to your feet, then springs back for lasting comfort. Feel stiff ankles? Roll them gently. Need a higher lift? The thicker foam legs arc your feet upward. Flip it over, and the convex edge transforms into a gentle rocker to keep blood flowing. Cleanup is a breeze. A removable washable cover ensures your cushion stays fresh through daily use. Light enough to carry anywhere, this footrest tucks into carry-on luggage for on-the-go support. Perfect for remote workers who split time between home, office, and coffee shops. Whether you're battling long plane rides, conference calls, or evening gaming marathons, the ComfiLife footstool combines therapeutic support with ergonomic ingenuity. Your ticket to pain-free productivity. Number 4. Innovation meets simplicity in the Mind Reader ergonomic footrest. This underdesk champion offers a tailored lift for users of all sizes. The generously sized 17 by 13 inches platform features a massage-textured surface, where rounded knobs gently stimulate your feet with every shift. No extra attachments needed. But the magic doesn't stop there. The tilting platform encourages active sitting. lean forward or back, and the footrest rocks in response, engaging leg muscles and preventing circulation slumps. Over time, this dynamic movement can reduce swelling in your calves and ease tension in your lower back, ideal for desk jockeys and students alike. Crafted from durable plastic, it withstands years of use without warping. Non-slip feet keep it firmly in place even during vigorous stretches. And at just 5.5 pounds, you can reposition it under desks, tables, or couches with minimal effort. Backed by MindReader's commitment to intuitive home and office solutions, this footrest is an essential upgrade for anyone seeking customizable comfort and simple posture correction. Make every work session a little more mindful and a lot more comfortable. Last but not least, meet the CloudBliss Footrest Pillow, a minimalist marvel in foot support. It provides perfect arch support with its ergonomic drop-shaped design. Sink into the soft interior that cushions your feet, relieving knee joint pressure and soothing tired ankles. Constructed from high-quality inner core foam, it retains its shape day after day, giving you consistent comfort from Monday's first meeting to Friday's final sprint. The anti-slip bottom grips any floor surface, hardwood, tile, or carpet, so your footrest stays exactly where you need it. Maintenance is simple. The durable, removable cover unzips for machine washing, keeping your pillow fresh without harming the foam. Its compact footprint makes it ideal for desks, gaming stations, sofas, or even dining tables. If you crave uncomplicated comfort, no assembly, no adjustable knobs, just set and forget the CloudBliss pillow under your desk. Whether you're typing reports or binge-watching your favorite series, this soft, supportive cushion elevates your feet and your mood. Which footrest are you adding to your workspace? Let me know in the comments. And if you're ready to kick foot fatigue to the curb, check the links in the description and snag yours today. Like if you enjoyed this roundup, subscribe for more Amazon gear guides, and hit that bell so you never miss out on our next comfort-boosting review. Thanks for watching. Here's to happy feet and healthy posture.